At least 5 people were injured in a mysterious twin blast in the Narwal area of Jammu on Saturday. A senior police officer said that the blasts were reported from 2 vehicles, resulting in injuries to 5 people. The injured have been evacuated to a nearby hospital. The area has been cordoned off and senior police officer along with other police personnel are at the spot and further investigations are underway.
Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.